Hey, thanks for tuning in. Today on Viperghini TV, we're gonna go to Mclaren for a nice little car show. Then we're gonna head across the street over to Ferrari, check out a Testarossa they have sitting in there, to Lamborghini to check out a nice Performante, and maybe even a Diablo that I heard is there. Let's go check that out. What we got, Patrick? What's new?
Another Lambo coming. GTRs. What's Frank's $10 at a dealership? And it's $10,000 more.
Is it? I don't know what you're talking about. Alright, we're done at McLaren. That car show was pretty unreal. Shmee150, I think it was called. Shmee is a pretty big YouTuber. I don't follow him. I didn't know this, but the guy's looked like a pretty nice guy. Anyways, we're headed over to Lamborghini now to check out some cars. Stay tuned. This seat is very uncomfortable. I need one of these. See it? So Lamborghini. Freaking in a Lamborghini Huracan Performante right now. Just a detail on this car. That seat is. It holds you in there.
Nice.
It's hugging.
Nice. Kind of weird. Can't have in my pocket.
I have no business being in this car, but I'm gonna give it a whirl.
First impressions?
This is pretty awesome. Hey, you even have the cup holder. Look at that.
Yeah, $1,000.
Thanks.
Take a picture of it. See if one takes a picture of mine.
Were these about $500,000, these guys?
Six and change.
Yeah. You could do that. You could just.
Hey, not too many people into my car, eh?
It's not yours yet.
You gotta slow this down. The cigarette lighter is missing.
Oh, I have one at home.
Off the tire.
Yeah. Don't plug your cigarette lighter in. It'll kill the car.
Fry the dash. It won't fry anything. If you want to take the risk of using your cigarette lighter for its purpose, you go ahead.
So I should go to 3 bars?
Yeah.
3 bars? What the hell?
Yeah, I'm gonna make a video of us pulling the tire.
Too late. Alright, so far pretty awesome day. Went down to McLaren for Shmee150. Then after that we went to Ferrari. Ferrari in Vaughn were a bunch of assholes. We walked in there, kept on getting the stink eye from the car salesman there. And then went to FAF. They were really nice. They were really cool guys. We went over to Lamborghini. They were extremely nice. The guy's like, here, let me get the keys for this Performante. Let me get the keys for this Aventador. So if I had sat in my first Huracan, and it happened to be a Performante, sat in my very first Aventador, which is probably my last time. That thing was 600 grand. That's it for today. We're headed home on the 400. Anyways, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this vlog. Subscribe if you like the content, and we'll see you in the next one.